Hi, my name is Sharonda Harris Marshall, and I'm just going to demonstrate how Adobe Fuse works. I actually have not tried the program. I did do something similar when I was in high school. I used to work on Poser, and so I'm thinking that the program is a little similar to that, but I'll be kind of playing around today and then, seeing what can be done, whether it's similar to Poser. And I guess we should get started. Let's see. Adobe Fuse is a desktop app that enables anyone to create customized 3D. Okay. Yes. So, like I said, I used Poser when I was in high school and college. I went to a very well-funded school. I do a lot of video and I do graphic design and I do video. And so a lot of the things that I was using Poser for was just kind of checking light placement, just seeing if I can move lights around and everything. So, it's really good to see, especially when you're doing 3D modeling and just kind of storyboarding out a particular scene. That was a really good application that we used to do that, or to do still photography or anything like that. So I do know that Adobe Fuse, there's also Project Felix that came out that was previewed at Adobe Max. So maybe the two will talk to each other. Maybe this is a program that is supposed to rival Poser. I don't know. But let's see. Start out. Okay, begin a new model. Symbol. So I guess we'll just pick a head here. Let's do this. Let's do a female head there. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's pick a torso. Let's try that one. It's funny, you have to build like every single piece of this. Let's get some legs in there. And let's try arms. Okay, that looks like a pretty good model. You can size them up and give her some nice little hips there. Let's see. Looks like you could pull a lot of. Just give her some wide shoulders. You can sag her boobs a little if you want to. Give her a tummy tuck. I guess make her pigeon-toed if you want. Let's see. So here is my model. Let's see what I can do to customize. Oh, I also, in addition to, I guess, pushing and pulling like modeled clay, I can actually use sliders. So yeah, that doesn't look natural. And that looks actually more natural than the smaller look, but it's interesting. Check, move our arms around, make them bigger, smaller. What's randomize do? It's not too bad. Or you can reset it, randomize again, randomize again. Let's see what her face looks like. Oh, we can make different expressions. Yeah, just like Poser. So you can give them a terrifying, uncanny valley type of look. Let's see if I can, scrolling up and down. Can I zoom in? Let's see if I can zoom in. Is this it? Center camera, pan and zoom camera. Okay. There we go. Click there. So let's give her the cocky expression. What does that look like? Oh, that's funny. Let's see. Let's confuse. I can see a lot of people just making this 3D model. I know with Poser, some people have built, will take this model into Photoshop, which I'm assuming you can do here, and then make like some type of fantasy along with them, recoloring skin, making kind of like cosplay looking characters or any type of like fan art, anime, just whatever, anything like that. Make her cross-eyed. Ugh. Okay, she's a little worried there. This is kind of fun. It almost feels like The Sims. It's very simple. Wall-eyed. Oh, never knew that's what that meant. Upper lip. Wonder if you can do things like give her an overbite or things like that, but let's make her happy. That looks very fake. Let's just do that. That's kind of more relaxed. She has a little resting bitch face. I don't blame her on that. Get it, girl. Let's see. Let's see what else with her head. Yeah, her eyebrows are on fleek. Let's see. Get them in or out, space them out. My eyebrows are kind of spaced a little out. I have a wide set face, so that's what I'm going to do with her a little bit there. Eyes are kind of wider apart. There we go. And you have all these different things. You can just give her as much plastic surgery as you can. I mean, make her nose narrow, bring it up and down. It's crazy, you know. Wow, Frankenstein look there. You can give her a little bit more brain room. Some people have really big foreheads. That just means she's smart. Then her neck, that's a little bit not. And yeah, let's keep that just kind of there. A fat neck versus a muscular neck, and let's keep it in the middle as well. Looks like a lot of the defaults seem to be okay to use here. Seem like that the Adobe team, the Fuse team seems to have accounted for what is considered average for a lot of people. So, you know, it looks kind of natural for a lot of people. Let's just reset that. Spin her around. Can we spin her around? That is spin around, right? Well, let's zoom out first, I guess. Wonder if there's that's undo, render edges only, render shaded faces, render edges and faces. This seems like this would be the button to rotate the camera. And oh, there it is. They might have to work on that a little bit. Let's zoom her out. Yeah, there we go. There's the Z-axis now, I see it. Okay. All right. Very interesting thing, just looking at the texture of the skin. It looks fairly well done, actually, for a preview. I'm sure when, if they happen to roll this out, it will look even better. Let's see. Let's put some clothes on her. Why don't we do that? So let's zoom out there. Let's see what we got her in. Got going shopping for our little avatar. Let's give her some hair first, I'm a Black person, so I would love to see some more African American styles other than like afro and dreadlocks. But I'll take what I can get. So we'll just put her in this bob. Let's see how that looks. Looks a little weird, actually. Let's put these dreadlocks on her. There we go. The dreadlocks actually look a little bit better than other stuff there. They seem to have a lot of unisex looking hair. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Some of the hair looks like it might have to be shrunken down or recolored, you're going to recolor it anyway, but Let's just put her in the dreadlocks. Why not? I'm a natural person, so we'll do that. See if she can wear a hat on top of that. That does not look good. Let's try this beanie. Yeah, and I think here is when you're gonna make your adjustments. Okay, there it is. That looks better. That looks way better. Let's go back. Okay. Yes. I'm kind of glad I saw that. I would have been really disappointed if you would have to sit there and actually make some manual adjustments to fit the hair under the hat. Let's try this hard hat. Okay. Not bad, Adobe. Looks like it needs a little bit of work with the rendering, but not bad. Let's stick her with the beanie. You know. Reminds me of college. Let's see here. Should we put her in a dress, or is there an option for a dress? Let's see. Let's bring this up. Why don't we make that widescreen? There we go. Use all of our real estate. Let's see. A tank dress. All right. Okay. It's not the cutest dress in the world. But I'm assuming the Adobe team knows that you're fashionable or that you like to, make your own clothes. Yeah, let's the camisole. I kind of like that. Yeah, let's leave her in the camisole. And actually, no, not the that was a racerback. Let's do Henley. Okay, and then let's get her some pants. She can't walk around like that. Yeah, boot cut. Why not? All right, she's actually looking like a regular person. We did her hair. We could put some glasses on her, but I'm gonna skip it. Oh, artist. So let's see what artist glasses are. See what Adobe thinks an artist looks like. Let's see. What if can you put a? I guess you can put a beard. You can't. We don't really determine a particular sex with these particular ones here. So looks like you actually can give her a beard, but we're just going to do that. I'm gonna put a beard on them again and see if Command Z works to remove it, and it does. Okay, good. Adobe's really good at that. Fingerless gloves, like she's Michael Jackson. Okay, fingerless gloves. Masks, mustaches, textures. Okay, I'm assuming this is where you can recolor things. So right now I just clicked on our shirt and see overall roughness, linen, plastic. This is really detailed. I don't know if I want to go this far into detail. This seems like a perfect integration for Project Felix. If you were to make, 3D clothes, or if you were to do a rendering of what a shirt would look like when you have a particular design, kind of like a mock-up. That's what I would see where that would come in. And let's see. Some of this looks really slow to respond. Texture resolution. Oh, you can make it as low res as you want. Yeah, I'm sure that's pretty cool. Trying to see if there's a particular way I can just find it to actually, okay, yeah, there we go, thread color. Right now it just looks like your standard computer colors. I'm not gonna, let's see, main Let's try that. Let's try, and it is changing it while I do that, which is cool. Basic custom colors. Wonder if I can integrate my Pantone, like if I can enter in it, or I might have to do it manually. That might be something they may need to work on in the future. If I can import Pantone colors or something into here for mock-ups or whatever. Fabric roughness. You can age the shirt. Let's just pull that all the way up to see. It's pretty cool, actually. I don't know what 0.1 means for anything, but there it is. Spandex. You could change it into a spandex shirt, nylon shirt. That's kind of cool. What about these jeans here? Denim. Yeah, this really is interesting. You are getting into a lot of detail here to build up about this particular person, but I'm wondering if I can do things like set up lights, modify geometry directly. See what these buttons up here, render face and edges. Render shaded faces. And then the outline of the wire. Let's see, save current model, open model, bring in model. Select as a new catalog preset. Okay. Well, this doesn't look like a complete program, not yet, but there's nothing wrong with that. They did say it's a preview. Save to Mitsamo and save to Creative Libraries. Let's see. Let's go back to the shaded faces here. I mean, it's kind of cool, you know, you can build your character out there. Save Fuse model, save as, let's just put this into just my main library and save. See how long it takes to export out. I'm thinking I might have to use something like After Effects to like check lighting and things of that nature, but maybe that would be something that they will integrate in the future, just lights and objects and, you know, the different shading of the particular characters being synced into the Creative Cloud library. It will take a minute or two to access your character from Libraries panel of Photoshop CC. All right, well, let's get out of this here and bring up Photoshop. Okay, I am now in Photoshop, so let's see if it brought my particular figure that I made in. So let's see, I'm in my main library and I have a lot of stuff, so let's just see. Oh, there it is. Let's see. If I can just drag it on there. And it's preparing it as a smart object. That's a good thing. But it is taking quite a while. Now, like I said, this is the first time I'm looking at Fuse, so I don't know if, oh, okay. I was just about to say that. I don't know if it's that you can pose or anything like that, like you can do in Poser. Let's see. But actually, wow. Looks like there's some cool. It's actually pretty awesome. You know, there's one camera there. It's like you can, looks like it brought everything in as a well, it's a smart object, so looks like you can just go in and make your changes, and then it will reflect in all of your, well, I guess in Photoshop. I'm trying to see what else you might use this in. I guess After Effects or maybe even Flash. Or in, of course, with Project Felix. So let's see. It's kind of cool though. You know, it does seem to be kind of awesome here. Looks like there might be a knob for a camera. Infinite light. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so can I change the direction of the light? Yes. Whew. Okay, that's so much better. So that's one light. Can I add lights? That says infinite light. Is there a way that I can change the type of light and just whatever? Okay, I did have a little bit of a crash. That's par for the course. So let's just see if I can bring up the model again. It says Photoshop 3D. So I'm assuming this will have some Project Felix integration in the very near future. So let's see here. And we already found out that this was a light source here that can be changed. The direction can be changed, and also just diffusion and other light sources. We can orbit the camera here. Seems like these are some camera directions here. Dolly and pan, and thank you Adobe for naming those correctly. As a video person, that gets kind of annoying. Tilt up, anyways, or you know, pan up or whatever. Anyways, let's see. Scale the 3D object. What's this here? Drag the 3D object. Okay. This looks like this has a little bit of a learning curve to it. That's not a problem at all. Wondering if you can add light sources and just be able to pose the model in a way that you would like. And that might be something that might be another video for another time, because it might be a little tiresome to sit here and watch me click through it and learn it just by clicking. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If I do find out some more information, I will post another video on what I found out. But I am going to also open up Project Felix in the near future, as well as a preview for Adobe XD, and see how Adobe XD might talk to the other programs. Okay, but thank you very much.